Friends, welcome to Damu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this module, we are going to discuss our next chapter, second question, that is tangents and secants to a circle. So here what they are given and what we have to find it. Here second one, they are given that one tangent is drawn PQ at the point of contact to the circle and tangent line is point P, and they are given that radius also. So 5 centimeter radius which is perpendicular to the tangent. The radius tangent is always perpendicular to the radius of the circle with the center O, such that here the line PQ, the point Q and O, the distance between center and point Q, they are given, that is 13 centimeter. Then we have to find what is the length of tangent, that is what is the length of PQ. So here tangent length we have to find it. What is the given information we have to write first, after that we have to find it by using of some rules. So here what they are given, so point of contact given that, so tangent, what is the tangent? Tangent is PQ, tangent is PQ at the point of contact, at the point of contact P, and the radius they are given that PO or OP will be equal to 5 centimeter, which is perpendicular. So what you can say here is this is perpendicular. PQ is perpendicular symbol is reverse T, we have to write it reverse T. PQ is perpendicular to PO, that means what you can say here is angle OPQ will be equal to 90 degrees. So angle OPQ will be equal to 90 degrees. So this is the condition we have. By using of this condition, we are going to calculate what is the length of tangent and the distance between. So length of OQ will be equal to 13 centimeter. Here it's making OQ as hypotenuse. If you see here hypotenuse, it's going to making, so length of OQ will be equal to 13 centimeter. Again radius we know that is 5 centimeter. Then PQ we have to find it by using of which in right angle triangle. So this is, find it here as by using of triangle, what you can say OPQ, by using of OPQ right angle triangle, Pythagoras theorem. So what is that? Pythagoras theorem, what you can say here is hypotenuse, that is OQ square will be equal to sum of the remaining square sides. So that is OP square plus PQ square. So which one we have to find? PQ square. So let's going to take PQ square will be equal to OQ square minus OP square. So OQ square is 13 square minus OP is the radius, that is 5 square. So here 169 minus 25, what value? We will get it as 144. So PQ will be equal to, that is square root of 144. Square root of 144 as we know that is 12 into 12. So what answer? 12 square root will going to cancel, that is 12. So therefore PQ will be equal to 12 centimeter. So this is the length of, this is 12 centimeter. This is the length of PQ. So this is the way to find the calculations. If you like the video, please like it, try to share with your friends and family members. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.